Okay, so today I'm going to go to... Well, I'll just explore a bit. And my work is paid off. I knew it would be up somewhere high again. Click it, please. Thank you. Slime meat bay. Yeah, I'm not dealing that right now. Oh yeah, another drone. Yahoo? Maybe I gotta put the pieces together first in order for it to make sense. Aish. Wait. You little sneak. Wait, near me? Really? Wow. Who would imagine it was right there? Alright, you know what? I'm sick of you guys. Okay, that's better. Is that... Nope, that's Buzzwax. Oh, really? Golden angler statue. Nice. So behind the waterfall we shall look. Oh yeah, we're missing 14 more. But the question is, can I find them anywhere else? Holy crap. Oh, just enough. But was there anything over here? Sadly, I'm not seeing anything. I went into a complete full circle and found nothing. I don't know why, but I have a feeling there's something behind this one of these waterfalls, and I'm just too chicken to do it. But you know what? I'm not afraid. Well, technically I was, but oh my god! Bat, cat, lava. I need to find them fast. Oh my god. Behind the waterfall. I can't believe it. I cannot believe this. This whole time, it was right here. Behind the waterfall. One, Now I just need the other two. Donate these. Run downstairs. And find these. Donated. Okay. 5 more wild honey and 10 more oils. 15 honey. 1 storage cell. Another strange diamond and a tank liner. I can remember those. But first things first. I need to get everything organized here. Actually, hold on. Yes, okay. First thing I'm going to do. Take this. Put it there. Now I'm guessing that took away the portal at my home. Yes, it did, which is annoying, but... we can put it out again. This time, leading to that cave. I keep hitting jump like an idiot. Now I just gotta get there and teleport there. Oh, cool. Anyway. Fly on through. Alright, this is it. Now before we do, let us place this portal right here. Perfect. Alright, last one. Okay. Where am I? Whoa. I'm underneath the mountain. Okay. The third island. Waterfall Pluffs. A lost area echoing through the halls of shivering ice. Oh, I should have brought the pink portal with me. We got our last weather. Snow. I need a map. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cool. Look at the trees. They're light through. Oh, I see one of those drones up there. Snowball? Oh, it's a food? Cool. Does anyone happen to know where a map is by chance? Oh my god, there's so much to explore, but I don't want to rush it. There's just so much of something everywhere. Oh. Perfect landing. Chili slime stack. Actually, how many are here? Okay, 23, just 22 to go. Okay. Stay on, please. Nice. Why can't I see what's down there? Aha! What an amazing discovery! This glacier wasn't even here when I first came to the island. I'm not sure how that's possible, so I'm sending out additional drones to collect more data. In the meantime, I am going to see if this snow is as fun for the stories I read as a kid. Oh, I can't use my drive here. Perfect snowflake. Really? This is a thing too? Oh! It's a crafting material. Cool. Of course, that thing has to be here. I'm surprised the slimes are doing okay in this weather. I thought it'd be freezing for them, but I guess not. And I legit cannot tell if I should go over or not. Screw it. Ow. A saber slime? A bouncing blast in the past. Really? The Thunderclucked hen? Saber slimes will sometimes give a fearsome roar to startle competitors for food. Slime scientists agree that this is their way of calling dibs on a meal. Oh my god, a map! Oh, but only reeled half the island. Wow, that is weird. And there's another secret island right over there. I'm gonna guess these ones are stubborn. Come here, you. There's the second island over there. Oh, I gotta play hop and skip to there? But before I do that, I want to get the last upgrade for the jetpack in order to do that. It's better be safe than sorry. Before I risk my own life just to get over there and lose everything. Ah ha ha! Here goes another. What do we got? A snowy bush. Oh, it's creepy having to play pop these ice stones. Because you could literally accidentally kill yourself and fall. By accident. Oh. We got some less snowy weather up here. Along with some... right here in front of me. Really? Frozen flame? Sweet. Find the water? Nope. Oh wait, yes. Haha. Hydro shower. Oh, you tease! You scared me. Oh. Oh my God, it scared the absolute day out of me. This is insane. Oh, what the heck? It's power lamp down there. Oh, wrong thing. Slime fossil, that's where you get them. Is here. There was something that needed a slime fossil. What was it? Sun sap? Really? Well, it's not those. What was it? I'll figure out later. Am I going to regret this? Yes. Yes, I am. Oh, they're invisible. Oh, that's even worse. Ow. Oh, this is horrifying. Wait, now where am I? Ah, thunderclocks. Yeah, there's no way I'm risking that. Which means I gotta run all the way back. Oh, this is terrifying. Can you knock it off? Yeesh. Okay, now I just need to remember how I got in here. Not exactly this way, but still works. Is there a map here by chance? Oh, cool. A snow bench. Oh, it's right by the fire flowers. Nice. So what's this way? Oh yeah, same way. Alright, I went through there. Oh, there's another one right there. Oh, if only I could walk on that. Something tells me I can't. Ice cube. Can I walk on that actually? I can. This is sick. Here's some more of these. I just had to make sure. There we go. Now we can see it. Oh, hey. I want to go down there and say hi, but I also want to keep exploring up here. Oh, you're so cute. Well, now remember you're here. Jesus. Oh, right. So just up to you. That's cool. Nice, nice. We. Yeah, I went through here. Walked up the light bridge. Now what was over here? A cave and more material. What's in the cave? Angry walrus people. Oh, very angry. Ooh, you do not want to make them mad. Oh, just been a one loop. So what's down here? Another drone. I see. While waiting for the drones to finish collecting their data, I built a snowman. I had seen them before in books, and since I had an extra carrot, I figured it was worth a shot. I am no sculptor, and I immediately took pity on the snowman. I was glad he couldn't talk. But then, as hours passed, he looked even worse. It was midday, and the sun's rays were warming my cheeks. And then I realized why this place wasn't here before. Why? Did they follow me out here? Now here's another rainbow road. Can I walk on that? There we go. That's better. Okay, I can. You just left it there, really? Oh, and to that. That also explains it. There we go. Aurora Pine. Whoa. As much as I would love to stay now, I am running out of time and I need to go home. There's another cave down there. I think I know where it leads. Okay, yeah, so it's this way. Oh boy. Ooh. Alright, let's go home. Now the question is, can I remember how to get back? Yes, I can. Alright, we made it back home safely. Wow. It's been forever. Let's donate the slime fossils. Right, I still need other stuff. But now we got these guys. A massive rain storm, less of a thunder, and a little bit windy. My word, it's been forever. Well, actually not forever, but I've been in there for a long time. Ooh, wee, you guys are busy. You know what? Screw it. We'll just make another one. Quit trying to jump away. Awesome, now we got double the differences. Thank you guys. And we don't need these. Yeah, I know, I keep rechecking this, but I still need to anyway, just in case. Sunsap, that's a new one I haven't seen yet. Why does I hit you guys with that? Oh, you get dizzy. And we're up to 10,000 gold. Excellent. Ooh, so close. Let's see what the message says. Bob. Hello, fellow homie. How's gift for you? Yay, chickens. Nice. Hey, Bia, I know it's silly, but I worry about your hard work you do out there all your own. So I sent a little care package. Hey, Bia, I got a gift for you, because I don't know. Anyway, I hope you like it. Or don't, whatever. Oh, Beatrix, I was up all night trying to send out a perfect gift for you. Cool. Gifts, gifts, and more gifts all around. You're not even that low on heartbeats, guys. But yet you got plenty of this for me. Which is really sweet. You guys know what? Might as well have these too. Man, what an adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Your choice, not mine. I cannot wait to see what else is here at Powerpuff Bluffs. Right after we also find all the other things we need in the other two areas. We'll just have to wait and see.